Friends, I've been walking for about 3 minutes. Very good signal. It's not deep. There is last year's stubble. Got it. Something buzzing. Haha! It's going! Wow! Yeah. Oh, it's an empire. Whoa. I even can see the year 1901. Oh, wonderful coin. Well, the first one's ready. Hi friends! What a great field! Look at that! I hope I'm lucky there, because a month ago I found a silver medal from imperial times. The sun's going down. The signal is not very good, but it's very strong. Look. Ha! The coin was right on the surface. I think it's a Soviet 10 kopecks of copper nickel. Yeah, it's an old-fashioned Soviet kopecks. If you knew how many of these tracks I've dug up, it's pity they're so heavy, or I could even make money on them. First I was digging in the field, and now I thought I'd go into the woods, and while it's light, search here, and look, what's here? The signal was so-so, but look what is here. It's a button, and it's interesting, yeah. Oh, I've never found like this before. Look at this interesting drawing. I don't know if it's military or civilian button, but the ear fell off while I was cleaning it. I'm so sorry. Maybe it belonged to the soldier whose medal I found earlier. The sun has set, friends, but the moon has risen. Also, in the company of Venus. Look where I'm going. It's not just trees, it's an alley. And it's very, very old. There is an old village nearby. This road once led to the Lord's Court, and I think they used to drive carriages. By the way, here's the first fight. And it's a fine. Wow, it's a yellow coin of USSR. So tiny, 1 kopek. Oh, it's a good year. 1933. Well, wow. I don't think that dog likes me. But I like dogs. Hmm? And you? Yeah. I walked down those woods, and I think there were one or two foundations. And there, yeah, it's a coin, my friend. There was a not very good signal, but it's a red coin of USSR. Oh, I think it's a yeah, the 20 kopecks. Wow. Seems I see 1933. Yeah. Well, I think there's a foundation because I see here a lot of stones and a lot of small iron signals. The house was taken away by the communists and the owner was sent to Gulag. And then when the house collapsed, they just raked it to the edge of the field. And here got a good signal. Here is it. Yeah, it's a coin. Yeah, it's same color of gold, but it's pity it's not gold. I think it's a 3 kopecks. I can't even recognize the year. 26 or no, because the obverse is more later. I've noticed there a little pond, and I thought it was a home site. Well, it definitely was at home, the first corner of foundation, and that is the second. Yeah, look, the stone. Yeah, the corner. And there I've detected not very good signal, but it's going. Yeah, the 2 kopecks of 19 of 1928. Yeah, it's not rare coin. In such a place, it's necessary to slightly reduce sensitivity so that deep signals do not interfere with the detection of smaller ones. Alright, I'm getting something better. Maybe. It's pretty shallow and stable signals. There are so much iron signals, nails or something else, so I can't recognize where is that my signal. Wow, where is it? Oh, whoa! Stop! I see something. Oh, I thought it was a. The trash finally. Oh, it's a coin, my friends. Yes. Wow, but what is it? What? Wow. Oh, yeah, my friends. Yes, finally. It's a coin. Yeah, it's a silver coin, and oh, my friends, it's a 5 kopecks. And it's a imperial coin. Yes. It's a pretty rare find because it's a very small coin. I can't recognize the year, but wow. At last, something interesting. no branches don't get in the way of digging. That's the corner foundation. I'm going to take it out. And look at front. Yeah, it's a lock. A big old lock. Look, I've started digging deeper along the wall. First I dig on the outside, then on the inside. These exercises made me hot enough to take off my jacket. And under these bushes I've got a good signal. It's a copper coin. But yes, it's a half a Copic Imperial, but a pity in a poor condition. I've decided to check out another corner. There are so many bushes, but not for nothing. Yeah, look what I found. A big iron signal. Look. Oh, wow. It's an axe. Wow, how is it big? Wow. Yeah, it's almost intact. Wow. I wonder what's that, my friends? Oh. It's something interesting. Ah, I thought it was a button, but it's not a button. What is it? Well, maybe it's a wheel from an oil lamp. Maybe. Yeah, that's very similar. But maybe not. What do you think? Someone lived here, manned and clothed by the light of this lamp, or reading books, and now all that's left is the wheel and one more lock. The villagers had something to hide with all these locks, huh? Now I'm moving the soil from the inside of a house to the outside and checking it out, everything. And there was another good signal, the speed. Oh, missed. Where is it? It disappeared. Yeah, but it's alright. I need to dig even deeper. Oh! It's gotten a lot better. Haha, yeah. There was an iron signal close to it, so it was not recognizable, but now I'll check it out. Whoa! Yeah, I got it. Yes. It's a coin. Whoa! 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 It's a silver. Yeah. But I can't understand what is this. It's so green, but it's definitely a silver. Ho 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 ho! The 15 copies of the early USSR of 1928. Yes, that's a nice find. Looks like I found a promising place to detect. The next find is a 1 Copic of 1929. former USSR. It was right near the wall. It's gotten so quiet around there. No more dogs. Hmm. Ah, look what I found. Wow, the signal was so strong and loud. Wow. Perhaps in some riddle I really don't recognize. What is it? It's some kind of pipe. But what is it? I still waiting for your opinion in comments. Wow, wow. It's a riddle. It's getting darker. But I keep searching on this foundation. It was a deep and strong signal on the outside of this house. And look what I found. Wow. Wow. I'm sure it's a pocket watch cover and it's a silver. Wow. Look. I see something, some design on this. The edge. Yes. Yeah. Look how it shines. It's pretty heavy. So it's definitely silver. Oh. I hereby award this foundation silver status. There is one more signal, my friends, but it's smaller. There was that cover, and there is nearby. Look what I found. What is it? Oh. Wow. This is an earring. Wow. Wow. Awesome. This is an old silver earring. Wow. I'm so happy. What a nice find, my friends. It's a likable find. Your support is extremely important for my channel and for the quality of the videos I produce. I'm very grateful for any kind of support, from simple likes and comments and help in solving riddles to sponsorship on Patreon or directly on YouTube. Thank you!